Monster walks are something that you see done in a number of ways, in a number of variations. So I'm going to give you the two that I use the most. We can go laterally or forward backwards with these. You'll have that information in your program. So check it out there and I'll show you all of them here. So the first tool we can use is a long band that we're going to stand on. And I'll have you get a decent amount of tension here. I'm not starting with any slack between my feet. And you'll want to hold this in a kind of a goblet hold position so that you're holding tension the whole time. Stack your trunk with a little bit of a soft knee, and then without leaning your shoulder forward, you're going to just step out and then step back. Step out. So we're just stepping out, stepping in, stepping out, stepping in. We're not kicking out with our shoulder and then bringing it back in, kicking out. Everything should stay pretty straight up and down. If I'm doing this from the side, what you'll see is just that I'm stepping to the side and then I'm stepping to the side. If I'm doing this forward, I'm going to take a big kind of zigzag walk. I'm going to keep my feet wide, walk forward, and then walk back. So again, my torso is staying really nice and upright, and my hips are moving, and I'm having to engage my abs to keep myself in that upright position. But most of where I feel the work is going to be my glutes and my hips. We can also use a mini band for these, if that's what you've got. So we'll put this around your shins typically. You can also, depending on the strength of your band, you can put it around your quads as well, around your thighs. Shins are going to be usually a little bit more stabilizing resistance. So when we're working with a smaller resistance like a mini band, shins give us a little more bang for our buck. Same thing, tuck our tail, tuck our ribs, and without swinging our torso, we're going to step out, come back in, step out, come back in, step out, come back in, step out, come back in. And if we're going to go forward, we will tuck, tuck, step, 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 and then back, keeping tension on the line, trying not to move. It's actually a little bit more challenging often with the mini band to go forward without swinging because you have to keep your feet a little bit wider to avoid the mini band falling off. So there is often a tendency to kind of start like that. We want to make sure as much as possible that we keep our bodies straight ahead, our torso straight ahead. It can help to sight just one spot in front of you rather than trying to look ahead and see everything that's moving in the room. So those are going to be mini band monster walks and long band monster walks, both forward and lateral. So the details of what you'll use will be in your program. Now you try.